You use them every day. You swipe them for groceries, gas, and even that late-night online shopping spree. But have you ever stopped to ask, how do credit card companies actually make money? Most people think it's just the interest rates. But that's only a tiny piece of the puzzle. The real secret? Credit card companies have built a multi-billion-dollar empire by trapping you in a system designed to make them rich while keeping you hooked. In this video, we'll break down the 5 sneaky ways credit card companies make money, and how you can avoid falling into their traps. Because trust me, what you don't know is costing you more than you think. Let's expose the truth. It all starts with a simple offer: 0% interest for 12 months. Cashback rewards. Free travel points. The deals sound too good to be true, because they are. The truth? Credit card companies don't give out free money. Every perk has a hidden cost. Tactic number 1. They lure you in with free money, but make their real money elsewhere. Checkmark cashback rewards encourage you to spend more. Checkmark airline miles keep you swiping even when you don't need to. Checkmark low introductory rates push you into debt before rates skyrocket. Did you know the average American carries over $6,000 in credit card debt? And once that 0% interest promo ends, the real fun begins for the banks, but not for you. Tactic number 2. The minimum payment trap. Ever noticed how your credit card bill says you only need to pay a small amount each month? That's not a favor, it's a trap. The minimum payment calculation: let's say you have a $5,000 balance on a credit card with a 20% interest rate. If you only pay the minimum each month, it will take you 27 years to pay it off, and you'll end up paying more than $12,000 in interest. Checkmark the minimum payment keeps you in debt for decades. Checkmark interest compounds daily, making it harder to pay off. Checkmark even if you double the minimum payment, you're still paying thousands in interest. The banks don't want you to pay off your balance. They want you trapped in an endless cycle of interest payments. Tactic number 3. Fees, and more fees. You might think you only pay interest when you carry a balance, but credit card companies have dozens of hidden fees designed to drain your wallet. The most common ones? Checkmark late payment fees, $30, $40 just for being a day late. Checkmark balance transfer fees. That 0% APR deal? They still charge you 3-5% to move your debt. Checkmark foreign transaction fees. 3% every time you use your card abroad. Checkmark cash advance fees. Want to withdraw cash? Enjoy a 25% interest rate from day one. The late fee snowball effect: one late payment can trigger a penalty APR, increase your future interest rate, and destroy your credit score. All from forgetting to pay a bill. Checkmark your best defense? Read the fine print, set up autopay, and avoid cash advances at all costs. Tactic number 4. Credit card companies profit off every single transaction. Every time you swipe your card, someone is paying a fee. It's called an interchange fee, and it usually ranges from 1.5% to 3.5% per transaction. Let's say you buy a $100 dinner at a local restaurant. The restaurant doesn't get the full $100. The credit card company takes $2 to $3 just for processing the payment. Checkmark the more you swipe, the more they make, even if you pay your balance in full. Checkmark that's why credit card companies push consumers and businesses to go cashless. Checkmark in the end, businesses pass the cost on to you in the form of higher prices. Even if you never pay interest, credit card companies still make billions off your purchases. Tactic number 5. Selling your data to advertisers. Every time you swipe your credit card, you're leaving behind a digital footprint. Banks track your spending, analyze your habits, and sell that data to companies that want to sell you more stuff. Ever wonder why you see ads for things right after you buy something similar? Credit card companies sell your shopping data to advertisers who use AI to predict what you'll buy next. Checkmark they know where you shop, what you buy, and how often. Checkmark banks share this data with advertisers, who then flood you with targeted ads. Checkmark more spending equals more profit for banks and brands. You're not just a customer, you're the product. How to win against credit card companies. Checkmark: pay your balance in full every month, never carry a balance. Checkmark: avoid unnecessary fees, read the fine print. Checkmark: use cashback strategically. Treat rewards as a bonus, not an excuse to overspend. Checkmark: consider alternative payment methods like debit cards, cash, or fintech apps. Now that you know their secrets, it's time to turn the tables. Share this video to spread financial awareness, and hit like if you're ready to outsmart the system. Subscribe for more eye-opening financial content. Leave a comment about your credit card experience.